This is the story of a small metal workshop that grew into a global pioneer in the air conditioning industry. Koja was founded in Tampere when independent Finland was only 18 years old. The first small operation facilities were rented from the Salvation Army. During its first years, Koja manufactured fittings, ventilation valves, window fasteners, and other products for the construction industry. During the Second World War, Koja mainly focused on manufacturing wood gas generators and wood gasifiers for the Finnish Army's automobiles. After the war, Koja participated in Finland's reconstruction and created its first process fan. In the 1950s, construction in an affluent society was momentous. New schools, hospitals, and other infrastructure were built. Koja produced its first air handling units and settled its first ventilation contracts within the building industry. Finland became more prosperous and urbanized. Production was automated. Koja's operations grew strongly. Koja closed large-scale air conditioning contracts. The roof exhaust fans began to conquer markets. The volume of manufacturing production decreased in Finland during the 1970s. Despite the oil crisis, Koja's order book looked promising and held a large share of exports. Koja's number of employees exceeded 100 and the factory was expanded. Fortunately, the global economic recession did not harm Koja. Strong emphasis was placed on the profitability of production, and it paid off. In 1985, the company celebrated its 50th anniversary. In the early 1990s, Finland was in a depression. With its family business mentality and mindful decision-making, Koja sustained and expanded into a large business within the air conditioning industry. At the end of this decade, a new production plant was built in Jalasjärvi. The IT boom lent wings to the 2000s Finland, sending Koja global success via secured international business relationships. Koja Marine supplied air conditioning systems to a series of the world's largest cruise vessels, and process fans were delivered to the largest recovery boiler projects across the globe. Koja made the most significant company investments and established international operations in the United States and Sweden. It carried out large-scale strategic operations to improve efficiency and competitiveness. At the start of this decade, the world faced an unforeseen situation. However, Koja Group conquered the challenges with technological solutions that support a cleaner and healthier environment. The Aalto family and following generations are committed to keeping the company family-owned for the next 100 years. Thus, this small metal workshop became an industry forerunner with long-term customer relationships. Today, Koja Group provides solutions that help customers successfully achieve their sustainability targets.